In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a page in GoDaddy Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what your options are, and how to choose the right layout for your new page so it fits smoothly into your existing site. First, make sure you're logged in and have your website open in the GoDaddy Website Builder editor. You should see your main editing area in the center, and on the right-hand side, there's a sidebar where many of your site settings and structure live. And that right-hand panel is where you'll be working for this process. In the right-hand sidebar, look for the section that's labeled Website. Go ahead and click on the Website tab. This is the area that controls the overall structure of your site, including things like navigation, headers, and the list of pages visitors can access. Opening this tab gives you a clear overview of how your site is currently organized. Within the Website tab, you'll see a header called Site Navigation. This is essentially the menu that visitors use at the top of your site to move between different pages like Home, About, or Contact. Right next to that Site Navigation label, you'll notice a small plus icon, the familiar plus sign that usually stands for Add or Create. Click on that plus icon. When you click the plus icon, a small menu appears. From this menu, you want to choose the option labeled New Page. This tells the builder that you're not adding a link or a section, but a completely new page that will appear in your site's navigation. Once you select New Page, the builder will move you into the page creation flow. Now you'll be asked to choose a template for your new page. GoDaddy gives you a few different options here. You can start with a completely blank page if you want full creative control and prefer to design everything from scratch. This is a good choice if you have a very specific layout in mind. If you'd like to save time, you can instead pick from a set of pre-designed layouts such as an About page, a Services page, or a Gallery page. These options come with a structure already in place, including sections and placeholder content, which you can easily customize with your own text and images. Think about the purpose of your new page and choose the layout that's closest to what you need. Once you've decided, click on Create Page. The builder will generate your new page with the template you selected and add it to your site navigation. From there, you can customize the content, adjust the design, and reorder the page in your menu if needed. That's all it takes to add a new page in GoDaddy Website Builder.